Hi guys, welcome to my new video. So in this video today, I will show you my bot Telegram calendar workflow made on N8N. So the goal of this workflow is to receive a message each morning, which will be a sum up of your calendar of the day with all of the events and meetings. So why that? Just because in the morning, sometimes you don't remember what you have to do in the day, and it will you will have to check on your Google Calendar. So but you will receive automatically a message which will sum up everything, so you don't have to connect to your calendar, and it will save you some time and you will be able to plan your day as you want. So in this video, first of all, I will do a demo and then I will enter into more details to show you how I build it. So let's start. So now you can see the workflow. So we have trigger, get many events, count event, if, some code, send a text, not meeting message. So first of all, in my Google Calendar, I created 3 meetings. For the example, meeting 1, location online, description test 1. Meeting 2, location office, description, this is test 2. And meeting 3, no location and no description. Okay, so now let's run the workflow. Alright, workflow executed successfully. Now let's check on Telegram. Alright, so we just received a message. Good morning, here's your calendar for today. You have 3 events today. Then meeting 1, we have the time, organizer, creator, some link. Description, test 1, location, online. It's what we put before. Second meeting, meeting 2, the time, same. Description, this is test 2, location, office. So it's all okay for this. And the last one, meeting 3, it's okay. No description, location NA, so it's all good. Have a great day. Alright, so the workflow is working good. Now let's try it without any meeting. So I'm deleting the meetings and let's run the workflow again. Alright, so now no meeting message. I check again on Telegram. Hi, your calendar is clear for today. Okay, so now we can see that our workflow is working. So now let's get into more details. Okay, so now let's check the schedule trigger. Okay, so trigger interval days between triggers one, the trigger at hour 8 a.m. So of course you can choose whatever time suits you the best. Settings, I did nothing special. So now get many events from your Google Calendar. So I just change it so there is no my personal information, but Google Calendar account, event, get many. It's important, not only one but many. From the list, you will choose your Google Calendar, return all after snow before. So this is like normal, and order by start time. So you can put this option. So you have all of them in the chronological order. For the settings, always output data, because if you don't have any meetings, you won't receive any data. So your workflow will stop at get many events. It won't start again. So now let's check the code for count event. So this is only for the condition if, because we will have 2 branches. If we have 0 event, it will go to the no message, or if it has 1 or more, it will go to the true branch with a message. So this is JavaScript. Get all of the event from the items, initiate the event board, check items and extract events, calculate the number of events. So this is the most important. Then we have our if section. So this JSON page is the code we did before, is greater than 0, so then it will be true, otherwise it will be no. For the settings, nothing particularly. So in the case we don't have any event, we have the no meeting message. So Telegram account, resource message, operation, send a message, chat ID. So you will put your own chat ID in this section from Telegram. So hi, your calendar is clear for today. Okay, so it's fine. Reply my up. No special settings, so it's fine. Now let's check the true branch. So run once for all items. So JavaScript. So get all of the event from if true branch. Okay, normalize the data. Message creation. So we have our message with all of the information we want. So you can choose stories the information you want. For settings, always output data. No. Okay. Then when you go to your text message, Telegram account, message, chat ID, text. So from the JSON you receive, and that's it. So just to be careful in the section if, a mistake I made before is that I put always output data. So when I was doing my test sometimes, even if I had no meetings, the two branches were running at the same time. So normally only this one should work, but I had this branch working and this branch working, and I was receiving two messages at the same time. So the no meeting messages and then the meeting messages, but with no information. So just be careful when you choose it. And that's it for my workflow. So if you have any questions, any remarks, please don't hesitate to comment. Have a great day. Bye bye. All right. I just saw that on the schedule trigger part, it was a little bit cut. So I just do it again to show you. So parameters, trigger interval days, you can change minutes, seconds, months, custom, days between triggers 1 trigger hour 8 a.m. You can change whatever you want, midnight, etc. Trigger minute 0, no rule, and settings, nothing. Yeah, so just that's it.